Welcome back to Dr. Tanwar's MCQs Physics. If you have reached part 4, you are not just preparing, you are aiming for a top rank. This is the graph based MCQ round where most students lose easy marks simply because they don't read graph correctly. In NEET, even simple concepts are asked in visual form. So, here is your challenge. Observe carefully, think logically, then answer. Answer and brief explanations of all 25 questions are given at the end of question round. Think carefully. After each question, note down the answer and compare at the end of question round. So keep a pencil and copy with you. Are you ready? Let us begin. Here is the question round. Question 76. Which graph represents Ohm's law? Option A, straight line through origin. Option B, curved graph. Option C, horizontal line. Option D, vertical line. Question 77. Which graph represents a semiconductor diode? Option A, straight line. Option B, exponential curve. Option C, horizontal line. Option D, linear decreasing. Question 78. Resistance versus length graph is option A, straight line through origin. Option B, horizontal line. Option C, parabolic. Option D, inverse. Question 79. Resistance versus area graph is option A, linear. Option B, inverse. Option C, constant. Option D, parabolic. Question 80. For an ohmic conductor, IV graph is option A, linear. Option B, exponential. Option C, constant. Option D, random. Question 81. Power versus current graph is option A, linear. Option B, parabolic. Option C, constant. Option D, inverse. Question 82. Drift velocity versus electric field graph is option A, linear. Option B, constant. Option C, inverse. Option D, curve. Question 83. Current density versus electric field graph is option A, linear. Option B, constant. Option C, inverse. Option D, exponential. Question 84. Resistance versus temperature. In case of metals, the graph is option A, linear increasing. Option B, decreasing. Option C, constant. Option D, curve. Question 85. Resistance versus temperature. In case of semiconductor, the graph is option A, increasing. Option B, decreasing. Option C, constant. Option D, linear. Question 86. VI graph for non-ohmic device is option A, straight line. Option B, curve. Option C, constant. Option D, vertical. Question 87. Power versus resistance at constant voltage. The graph is option A, increasing. Option B, decreasing curve. Option C, constant. Option D, linear. Question 88. Power versus resistance at constant current. The graph is option A, linear increasing. Option B, decreasing. Option C, constant. Option D, curve. Question 89. Current versus resistance graph is option A inverse, option B linear, option C constant, option D direct. Question 90. Electric fields versus drift velocity graph is option A linear, option B constant, option C inverse, option D curve. Question 91. Conductivity versus temperature. In case of metals, the graph is option A decreasing, option B increasing, option C constant, option D curve. Question 92. Conductivity versus temperature. In case of semiconductor, the graph is option A increasing, option B decreasing, option C constant, option D linear. Question 93. Current versus time. At steady current, the graph is option A constant, option B increasing, option C decreasing, option D oscillating. Question 94. Charge versus time graph is option A linear, option B parabolic, option C constant, option D exponential. Question 95. Power versus voltage at constant resistance. The graph is option A linear, option B parabolic, option C constant, option D inverse. Question 96. Electric field versus potential gradient graph is option A linear, option B constant, option C inverse, option D 0. Question 97. Current versus length of wire graph is option A inverse, option B direct, option C constant, option D linear. Question 98. Resistance versus temperature at high temperature range is option A curve, option B linear, option C constant, option D inverse. Question 99. Voltage versus time for DC source graph is option A constant, option B increasing, option C oscillating, option D decreasing. Question 100. Power versus voltage at constant resistance graph is option A linear, option B parabolic, option C constant, option D inverse. Answer and explanation round follows. Fine. Compared? So, how many graph questions did you get right? Write in comment box. If you scored high, greater than 22, you are already ahead and you are doing well. If not, this is exactly where you need to improve. Remember, concepts are tested through graphs, not just formulas. Now complete the full journey. Part 1 Basics, Part 2 Advanced, Part 3 Elite, Part 4 Graph, and you are ready for NEET now. Keep practicing because rank is built one concept at a time. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, Dr. Tanwar's MCQ Physics.